In our last video, we calculated our descriptive statistics of mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. This time we're going to look at how to calculate the ranges for the empirical rule, or the 68, 95, 99.7% rule, as your book discusses. So for the first part of the rule, 68% of our value should fall between one standard deviation on either side of the mean. So we're going to start out with the mean. So I say equal or plus the mean plus the standard deviation. That gives me my upper limit, and then I start with the mean again, and I subtract the standard deviation. So one standard deviation above the mean would be 170.65. One standard deviation below the mean would be 132.75. And now we're going to do it for two standard deviations. So again, we start with the mean, and we're going to add 2 times the standard deviation. And for minus 2 standard deviations, we start with the mean, we subtract 2 times the standard deviation. And for 3 standard deviations, same process. We take the mean, we add 3 times the standard deviation, and again the mean minus 3 times the standard deviation. Now we could look at our data values and determine whether any of them fall within 2 standard deviations. So are any of them less than 113? I don't believe they are. Are any of them higher than 189? And they are not. So all of our data values in this case fall within the 2 standard deviations.